Aloha, wonderful seeing you today. Tell you what, we're gonna go with more of a theory type syllabus today. So starting from scratch, just so you have this on a video, you're going to put this onto paper and write it out. You're going to write out your treble clef and your bass clef and your alto clef and your tenor clef eventually, and then write out this idea. However, this is the bee's knees in music as far as I'm concerned. C, which is middle C, can be found by playing 2 notes and 3 notes. When we play 2 notes and go down a minor second or a half step, we get C. C1, C2, C3, all the way up to C8. When we play a C major, we're playing a 1, 3, 5. It's based off the concept that 1 to 5 is the perfect fifth. The other intervals are minor second is a C to a C sharp. A C sharp to a D is also a minor second. So a minor second plus a minor second equals a major second. A minor plus a minor plus a minor equals a minor third. Or we can say major second plus a minor second equals a minor third. When we play a 1, 2, 3, 4 minor seconds, minor second, it's a major second. Minor second plus a minor second, another major second. So 2 major seconds equal a major third. The major third that we see when we go here becomes a perfect fourth. The fourth can't be a major or a minor because the addition of just the one other minor second makes a major second plus a major second and a minor second. Sure, you could say that's the makeup that makes a perfect fourth. However, the way that we like to describe perfect fourths and perfect fifths are in relativity to the rest of the piano. If we play a perfect fifth from C to G, the opposite when I put a G in the bass becomes a perfect fourth. So you can only have a perfect fifth and then the flip of it, perfect fourth. No matter where you are, perfect fifth, when you rearrange that and put it at the bottom, it becomes a perfect fourth. So the takeaway, perfect fourths when they switch become perfect fifths, and perfect fifths when they switch become perfect fourths. We will talk into explanation about how a minor second, when you change the minor second to the other side and play that same note down here, the D down here, that also becomes an interval. And it would be safe to say that that interval now is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, and then an addition. So this would be a ninth away, going this way. And when we go back this way, we can see that it is not a ninth. We would be going down a half step. There's a whole step. Here's our minor third, major third, perfect fourth, augmented fourth, perfect fifth, sixth, minor seventh, major seventh. So even though it's a 9 here and we go down a 7 here, it's still relative. The conquest of knowing C to C sharp is a diatone, and then C to D is a major second, a whole tone, gives us the opportunity to see it doesn't mean we have only a major second on C to D. A major second from the F note can go to a G. Therefore, if we're counting and you know definitively that 1 to 5 is a perfect fifth and that 1 to sharp 5 would be an augmented fifth, the reason why we call it an augmented fifth in the key of C major is because we name this a G sharp. It's a 1, 3, sharp 5. It would be grammatically incorrect to call it an A flat when talking about a C augmented. Because the sixth in the key of C is reserved for the minor six, or a C6 chord, has a flair or a hint of the minor to it. Why? We are only really one note off from feeling a minor. E minor to be exact. So when we play a C6, we are influencing a C major with the A, the sixth note, thusly giving the feeling of a minor over the top of it. C major, D minor, E minor, F major, G major, A minor, B diminished, and then C. So when we go through the process of C to G and know that G is a 5 away, and that when we add 5 away, we add a sharp. G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. Every single one of the white keys uses the 1, 2, 3 under, except for F. We go to our fourth finger and then under. The process of doing this leads us up to go up 4, end on our third finger, or fourth finger, go down 4, cross over with our forefinger. It's the only one that does that. All the rest of the white note keys, G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B. Whenever we go through the process of playing whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, half step, for a major Ionian scale or a mode, when not in C, we have to exhibit the half steps between the 3 and the 4 and the 7 and the 1. Therefore, no matter what key we're in, let's call it F sharp. F sharp has 6 sharps. The only note in F sharp which is not a sharp note is B, which is why it must be awfully lonely to be in F sharp. F sharp major. We're gonna go to G sharp minor. We're gonna go to A sharp. A sharp, as you know, is a B, so we can't play black to black, has to be here, and then throw in our major. Throw our minor, gives us our minor, so F sharp major, G sharp minor, A sharp minor, right? We're gonna be going to our B flat. Here's our B, right? Our flat must contain a major third, and it must contain a major fifth. So we've got a 1, 5, and then here's our major fifth. When we go to our next note for the key of F, we've got our C. Since this is F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, C sharp must be a half away, and it's also going to be a major. 1, 3, 5, 1, 5, throw the 3. We're gonna go to D sharp. D sharp, however, is gonna be a D sharp minor. Our next note is going to be an E sharp, which hypothetically is an F, but if we play E sharp or F as an F diminished, 1, flat 3, flat 5, we get our lending tone, which resolves a half step into the 8 or the F sharp again. So we've got F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp, E sharp, F. I know it's confusing, however, when we do this in C, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, we're exhibiting 1 minor second, 1 major second, 1 minor third, 1 major third, 1 perfect fourth, 1 augmented fourth, 1 perfect fifth, 1 augmented fifth, 1 6, major 6, that'd be the minor 6 if you want to look at it, major 6, 1 minor 7, or the flat 7, the dominant 7, and then 1 major 7, the lending tone or leading tone, and then 1, 1 octave. From there, we'll talk in other sessions about how that becomes 8, flat 9, 9, 10, 10, but we don't call them 10s. They're the major third, minor third. 11, sharp 11, 12, which we don't call, or we call it the flat 13 and the 13. Those are our only 3 real notes over the top, or 3 variations. Flat 9, 9, 11, sharp 11, or flat 11, 13, flat 13, or sharp 13. Those are all part of chords. So it's C major, sharp 13. What's our 13? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 3, 5. If I put this A here and then throw this A up here, hold it out, that's a 13. Ta-da! So what we do is we form chords based off of the major triad. So if you know how to play C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C in the key of C, you should know how to play that G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp diminished, and then G. Being able to go through D major, E minor, F sharp minor, G major, A major, B minor, C sharp diminished, then D. The conquest is to be able to go through all of your major chords and then C major as also being A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The relative 6 of each key has the same notes. So in the key of G, G, A, B, C, D, E, all the notes in G major have that F sharp. So in E minor, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C, D, E. That is how you play a minor scale. It has to have that F sharp. So I hope that's a good entryway theory-wise of talking about note inversions for this week. Try and pick any key and do 1 to 5, 1 to 4, 1 to 3, 1 to 3, 1 to 2, 1 to 2. If we're in the key of D, D to A is a fifth, D to G is a fourth, D to F sharp is a major third, D to E is a minor third, D to E it's going to be a major second, and D to D sharp is a minor second. If you could do that up to your fifth in every key, we are sitting pretty. Try and do that this week, and then we'll see you next week. Aloha.